Marion Manufacturing Double-Edge Hammer. Equipped with a 1.5 or a 3 horsepower motor, the Double-Edge Hammer is a great addition to any trim shop. With models running on 110 volts, two 20-volt single-phase, two 40-volts 3-phase, and 480-volts 3-phase, these compact units can go just about anywhere and will absolutely increase your trim production. Hammers are also available in a non-powered option. Capable of 3/8 to 1/2 inch hammer. On a 3-inch to 24-inch blade, a hammer can shave 5 moves off a traditional folded trim piece, saving you time and money. Able to accept material from 26 to 24 gauge, grade D to grade E. Hammers come preset to your material thickness and fully guarded for your protection. Built to save you time and money, the Double-Edge Hammer is a must-have for your trim shop. Contact us today for a quote.